You must have heard of IoT, the Internet of Things. So what is this magic that IoT has that people keep talking about? It's quite simple. IoT now makes life easier. How? By automating tasks that take physical labor. It makes you safer by letting you monitor your home and access. It will save you money on energy, effort on installation. It's affordable and accessible. And it is most importantly adaptable and open. Arteor will now let you control your home with your voice via the various voice assistants available today. It lets you control your home through your phone with a Home Plus control app. And of course, you can operate things with the physical switches as well. So, where do we start? With the gateway kit shown here, which includes the gateway on the left and the wireless master switch on the right. The wireless master switch is the switch to your home that you can carry around like a remote. The gateway kit is essential to connect lights, curtains and appliances with your phone, and installing them is the first step. Next comes the connected switches. You can control or schedule individual or many light circuits with one switch. But for each light circuit to control individually, you will need one of these switches. You can control window blinds and schedule to go up at the same time as your alarm if you want. With the Home Away wireless switch, you can manage scenarios. That means creating settings for your home. For example, the Away setting automatically switches all lights off, pulls blinds down and puts appliances on savings mode. The Wake Up Sleep wireless switch wakes up your household for you. It can switch your geyser on, raise blinds, turn off skirting light and put on the coffee machine. Through our app, you can control different power outlets from your phone from anywhere. And you will get alerts on your phone for each one of them in case of power cut and device failure. You can review your energy consumption and reduce usage where necessary. These switches are adaptable to you and to newer appliances and technologies. For instance, if you are using traditional switches of any brand, the same can be easily upgraded to Arteor's connected switches without requiring additional backup or wiring. This is how the gateway kit works. The gateway connects wired and wireless switches to the home Wi-Fi network. The Home Away Master Switch uses Zigbee technology to create a network between the switches, lights, appliances, etc., allowing them to be controlled with touch, voice and phone. Best part is, you don't need to be a superhero to be able to install it. Whether you are installing it in a brand new home or during renovation, the upgrade from your current wiring too is pain-free. Arteor IoT switches uses existing traditional electrical infrastructure, which reduces efforts to the minimum. Your phone becomes your remote control with our app, sending you updates, alerts, energy consumption reports. You can even invite all the members of your family and share the controls with them. That's not all. Arteor is user-friendly. It works with most of the apps. All voice assistants. Put the magic of IoT in your home.